Hi, this is Venice, your presidential candidate for 2008. So, my public relations manager said that I should do a public service announcement because it would like help me get votes and stuff. So, hold on a second, okay? So, I want to talk to the American people today about don't make yourself throw up because it's not cool. I know and I understand that there's like a lot of celebrities who are like really skinny and beautiful. It's not our fault. It's just because we have like really pretty parents and like a lot of money. So don't like make yourself throw up so you can look like us because you won't anyway. And I know that the people in the press, they say that like I have an eating disorder, but I don't. I have a rare disease that makes me like have to throw up after every meal. And it's just not like I do it on purpose. It has to happen. So I just wanted to say, don't make yourself throw up because like you'll have bad breath anyway. Vote for me.